Los Angeles transportation. Known as the City of Freeways, Los Angeles is a global symbol of urban innovation and mass mobility. Its vast network of roads, spanning over 10,000 kilometers of highways, redefines modern transportation and cements the city as an icon of roadway development. A pioneer in elevated highways and multi-level interchanges, Los Angeles set a global precedent in infrastructure. However, this heavy reliance on automobiles has led to some of the worst traffic congestion in the world, highlighting both the achievements and challenges of its transportation model. No symbol of mobility in Los Angeles is more iconic than its international airport, known as LAX. One of the busiest air hubs on the planet, it connects the city to over 180 global destinations. Its distinctive theme building, designed in 1961 with a futuristic aesthetic, embodies the spirit of the jet age, while its 9 terminals, constantly upgraded, provide millions of passengers with an efficient and comfortable travel experience each year. In recent years, Los Angeles has heavily invested in expanding its public transportation system. The growth of metro and bus lines aims to offer sustainable alternatives to car dependency. Despite these advancements, the city still faces the challenge of balancing mobility, sustainability, and a deeply ingrained car culture.